crossing to Malaysia from Indonesia via ferry. How are you? Good?
Good.
Okay. Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Right now I'm in Nunukan, Kalimantan, and today we will be crossing from Indonesia to Malaysia, and I think it's my first time to cross international borders via ferry. So I'm quite excited, and right there is the port. You can see this is the port for international transit, and our hotel was just right next to the port. This is the name of the hotel, Melati Indah, and I paid almost I think $15 or $13 for this. So let's go. It's almost 8:30 in the morning and our ferry leaves at 9 o'clock, 9 a.m. So I'm a little late, but let's go. These are our bags, and whenever I come from India, my bags are not too heavy and I have not shopped anything, literally just some souvenirs, but now all my bags are so heavy. And this zip is gone. We have to buy a laptop bag. I don't even know how I'm going to carry this. It's totally gone, this one. Oof. But let's see and let's go. मैंने टिकट ले ली थी कल ही. ये देखिए, ये वाइट स्टिकर उसने लगा दिया है. The ferry name is Bhagya, which is literally Sanskrit word, Indian word. So in Indonesia, even until now, they use some words that are from India. And wow, we are not too late. I don't think so. It's 8:32 and the ferry leaves at 9, so we will be good, and not so many foreign tourists, so immigration will be quick. And right now I'm not using microphone because this bag is literally falling, and I can fall and microphone also can fall, so that's how it is. I have to buy a camera bag. This is hilarious. Crazy. आगे भाई, Port of Tununtaka, Nunukan. Okay. This is, guys, international ferry terminal, also domestic but international also. ये जो पेलिंदो लिखा हुआ है, ये इंडोनेशिया का फेरी का नाम है, कुछ ऐसे. इसका वेबसाइट भी है एक ऑफिशियल, वेयर यू कैन बाय टिकट्स. चलिए, एंटर कर लिया हमने, एंड मैं आप लोगों से इमिग्रेशन के बाद बात करती हूँ. Guys, he said ticket. I told him I have ticket. I got it. Yes. No German. Indian. Morning.
Speaking English.
From India.
Oh, from India. Speaking Indonesian?
I have ticket. Where? Go inside? Okay. Let's go. Oh, he's singing. Chal sing. No problem.
Tiket. What? Indonesia.
Okay.
Okay. Kampung? Okay, yes.
No internet.
No internet.
Go there.
No internet?
No.
Internet kapal.
Okay. भाई इमिग्रेशन खुल गया है, सो लेट्स गो. एंड ये लोग ना यार, इंडोनेशिया में इन लोगों ने स्पेशल वीडियो वाले रखे हैं. लोग वीडियो बनाते रहते हैं हर चीज़ की, गवर्नमेंट एरियाज़ में. मतलब ये देखिए आप लोग सामने, ये भी बना रहे हैं. तो लोग कैसे जा रहे हैं, टूरिस्ट कैसे आ रहे हैं, इसके लिए स्पेशली गवर्नमेंट वीडियो बना रही है. फेरी पे, एयरपोर्ट पे, हर जगह पे. हैव एग्जिट स्टैम्प. राइट बिहाइंड मी इज इमिग्रेशन. You can see right behind this was immigration. And let's go. My bag right now is so funny. Imagine. We have to buy new camera bag as soon as possible. Wow, so beautiful. Look at the view. Amazing view. This is our ferry, the first one. Bhagya. Nice. Guys, first time crossing from country to country by ferry. I could have done this in Congo if I would have crossed another Congo, Brazzaville, but I did not from Congo. I came back to Tanzania, from Tanzania to India. So I don't remember really that if I've crossed before, but let's do it today. So quiet, guys. This area is so not touristy. Like today I'm the only tourist. There is nobody. Like there is a possibility of crossing into Malaysia, but still not too much tourism on this side. ये देखिए, this is international exit via ship. So if you guys like adventure also, you can do it. Sometimes flights are cheaper, but the part of Indonesia I'm going, the flight was not so cheap, and also the part of Malaysia I am going. So I really thought that to go Tawau I have to take that 12,000 flight via Kuala Lumpur, but really there was a route to cross by ferry which costed us around $25, 350,000 Indonesian rupiah. I will convert and write on the screen. So way cheaper, and I think much more efficient, because we'll reach in 1 or 2 hours. The ferry ride is only 1 or 2 hours to Tawau, but if it was flight we have to fly 3 hours to Kuala Lumpur, then transit for 5-6 hours, then fly again 3 hours to Tawau. So it was not really a good option with money and with time both. This is way better, even though I had to take one flight, but I explored the local way and I am happy, more than happy that I did it. So let's go. Ferry life, guys. Ooh. Hey, let's go. Crossing to Malaysia from Indonesia via ferry. Go? Okay. Guys, let me give you the tour for the ferry. I was not expecting it to be quite a luxury. So I think it's 350,000 for the ticket. It's okay, it's worth it. At first we have this TV, which is like a smart TV. You can even play YouTube. And I think ferry have Wi-Fi. I will connect and give you the update, because I see the sign here. And this is how the ferry looks, guys, from inside. See, the seats are quite good, like business class, but this is just a normal ticket price, and all the seats are like this. So, and in 1 hour 10 minutes you can reach to Tawau from Nunukan. Quite incredible, and it's not so far also, and it's a speed ferry. So then there is a seat even down there. It's same good seats. And one thing I have noticed is that downside is literally more cold than the upper part. Even in the previous ferry, this was a very big difference. Hello.
Hello.
How are you? Good?
Good.
Okay. Thank you. And this is our seat, guys. I'm sitting here. This is my seat. And now I will connect to Wi-Fi and use Wi-Fi. We are finally on the way to Tawau, Malaysia. The journey has started. And it's little cold, but everything is comfortable. Just look at the ocean. we started our journey, and in 1 hour 10 minutes we will reach Malaysia Tawau. Quite easy. I was expecting it to be little difficult, but apparently it was quite easy. I'm so excited to explore little bit of Borneo, and then next let's see what will be the plan and the update, where I'll go, where I'll travel. Hopefully all will be good. So you can see we started from this island Nunukan, and now we are crossing this way and we will land at this part. So this is Tawau right here. Just 1 hour and that's it. So by 10:40 we reached to Tawau, Malaysia, and I have not checked the update, but I think it's visa free for Indians for 1 month. Guys, look at the Malaysian side, it's so dirty. Wow, this is crazy. Why Malaysia is not cleaning this? Huh? Indonesia side was very clean, the beach. Wow, you know, last time I came Indonesia and I come this time, there is a lot of good things happened, lot of development. Not a lot, but better. But this side in Malaysia is so dirty. They are not cleaning. But hello. Let's go to immigration now. Hello. Welcome to Malaysia, guys. After 1 year, I have been here before, just for 3 days, not a long time, only in Kuala Lumpur. This time we have came to Borneo, and nice. Selamat datang. Oh, welcome. Guys, many people ask me like how long I will keep traveling like this, and I cannot say forever because life is very uncertain, but this time I was stuck in India for 2 months. I had luxury, I was meeting friends, I had good food, everything, but the feeling of being stuck was not good. So I think quite a few more years we will do this. I enjoy this life so much. I realized this because I got stuck in India 2 months and I was like, no, I cannot live in one place like this for a long time. I miss adventure, and the feeling of going into unknown in adventure also I missed, not just luxury travel. So I don't know what we have to do. Passport. Yeah, inside of immigration, yeah. I asked him.
Ji, mau pergi Pas Sempurna dia.
This shop was just outside the ferry terminal. Welcome to Malaysia. This is the flag of Malaysia. And finally we reached. Now we should find the bus or taxi to Sempurna. She was saying the good price, I think. तो यार ये भाई मलेशियन करेंसी मिली है हमें, इसका ऑलमोस्ट 137 रुपये हैं ये, और $1 होता है ऑलमोस्ट 4 मलेशियन रुपए का, ऑलमोस्ट 4.22। तो उस रेट के हिसाब से चल जाएगा काम 1-2 दिन का। लेट्स सी, ये 137 है। दिस इज आवर कार। हेलो,
From where?
आई एम फ्रॉम इंडिया।
India, Kerala.
No Kerala.
No?
From the north, near New Delhi, Punjab.
New Delhi, Punjabi.
Yeah, Punjabi. You are from Tawau?
I am from Tawau. My sister, Carla.
Oh, your sister Kerala. Okay, okay. Nice. तो भाई चलते हैं एंड पहुंचते हैं
Hey.
टैक्सी स्टैंड की तरफ. तो बढ़िया बाकी. Guys, I am having avocado juice. So this was the thing that was available here, and this is our bus. Okay, the white one. And it's crazy, this reminds me of Africa, but when we go to Africa we always complain, but in countries like Malaysia or in Europe we think it's normal, it should be okay. You know, I've seen influencers or travelers, when this happened to them in Africa, they're always crying that Africa is not managed, there is no rules, no good transport. But if this happens in Europe, America or Asia, nobody will complain. So what I'm saying is, this is our car, okay, and it's not full. It doesn't go on perfect timing. You have to wait until it gets the passenger. So to fill the car, to get the passenger, it can take 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, we don't know. So I'm already waiting 20 minutes and it can take more. So this system usually works in Africa also. They don't move until the car or the bus is full in Africa, and people get so frustrated. But right now this is happening to me in Malaysia, and I want to tell you that in many parts of the world this can happen. It's not just African problem. It happens in a developed country like Malaysia also. So don't hate just on a specific region. Be vocal about everywhere. You know, I have heard in Europe in one day there are only 1 or 2 trains or buses to travel to one area to another, which is cringe and not so efficient. But I will review transport there later. Right now we are waiting that we get 4 passenger more very soon. Finger crossed. यार भाई सीट फुल हो गई थी एंड बस चलना शुरू कर दी. ऑलमोस्ट 1 घंटे का रास्ता बचा है एंड मैं बोर्नियो फॉरेस्ट तो देख रही हूँ, बट ऐसा लग रहा है कि फॉरेस्ट तो रहा ही नहीं है यहाँ पे. सारा पाल्म ट्री के लिए डिफॉरेस्टेशन कर रखा है, ये आप लोग देख सकते हैं. मतलब जो असली रेन फॉरेस्ट था वो तो है ही नहीं है, ये तो सिर्फ पाल्म ट्री ऐसा ही कुछ मैन मेड प्लांटेशन किसी ने लगाई है, ऐसा फीलिंग आ रहा है. जो नेचुरल रेन फॉरेस्ट था वो तो दिख नहीं रहा है. यू कैन जस्ट सी. Guys, this side of Malaysia looks so local, and it doesn't look like Kuala Lumpur at all. It's so hot also. Whoa, Borneo is burning. It's very hot this year. I think this is one of the hottest place I've been to. Borneo. India was not so hot this year. It was always raining. But see the streets of Sampurna. Wow. It's like we have unlocked the complete different part of Malaysia. I'm trying to process traffic, busy, crowded, crazy. दाल totally vegetarian, chutney and nariyal ka chutney. After so many days, almost since I left India, I did not eat Indian food. That is 18th of August. So since 18th of August, no Indian food. And today is 31st August. so delicious. Guys, good morning. Today is the third day and I decided to document one tribe here in this town, but bad news. I realized that Malaysian government, they have destroyed their homes in the ocean, so there was nothing to document. Like if I make a video, nothing will look like real, you know, it will look like a made up scenario. So this same tribe, they live in Indonesia and Philippines also. I think I'll go to Philippine side next time because I have already document one tribe in Indonesian side, so it doesn't make sense to go back again. So we will do in Philippines next if possible. And I want to live with them a little, but I have heard they have become little modern, but still it would be fun. Since very recently they were nomad, they are even nomad now. They come illegally from Philippines to Malaysia for work, so they even move illegally even till today. But yeah, they have adopted to modernization. Anyways guys, we are going to the bus station. Let's go. But I'm so sad. Wow, why did they destroy their homes? And now Malaysian government wants to build resorts there. So that was the reason. We have to go this side. Guys, it's almost 8 and thank God I got my ticket yesterday. The bus is full.